This is Sagar speaking from Boston, and I have duties to explain uh, this book, uh, chapter 26, 27, and 28. I will read the story first. Okay. For chapter 26, we got title The Best Art City. As an art student, I think modern painting are often just pretty pattern, and young kids understand them best. Yesterday, my 7 years old sister proved this when she saw my new painting on the wall and pointed out that I was upside down, and she was right. And then in this chapter we have some new vocabulary. There is a criticize and criticism and critical and critically. This is a different meaning, yeah. In I don't know, I can translate the meaning or no, but I will make some example from from the word for criticize. I will give you example. It is much easier to criticize someone work than to do it yourself. And then the next criticism, for the example, is I accept your criticism. And then the third, there is a critic. I have example, he is a music critic. And the fourth, critical. I have example, education helps students develop critical thinking skills. And the last, critically. The doctor is monitoring the patient who is critically ill. I cannot say the meaning, but I will show you. You can see in my books. There is it's like that. This is for I got this lesson with Mr. Rozak at 20 on July. And then the next chapter, I have the story from Mr. Luhung at 27 on July. That is the title. For chapter 27, the title is A Wet Night. I will read you the story. Late in the afternoon, a group of boys set up their tent in a field, cooked a delicious meal over a campfire, and sang song together. Then it started to rain. They put out the fire and went to sleep inside their warm sleeping bags. However, in the middle of the night, they woke up to find their tent full of water. They rushed outside in the wavy rain and discovered that a small stream had formed in the field, flowing right under the tent. And then, in this part, I have a lot of vocabulary. There is put out, open fire, campfire, and then out and scream. I think I just can read. I cannot explain with English clearly. And then I will give the example of full of. There is adjective. This have pattern to subject, be, full of, and plural noun. And then for the example, there is this class is full of students. In this pattern, we must put the plural noun. And then I have another example that is the sky is full of stars tonight. Yeah. The next I have vocabulary. There is a put up. I have example for this vocabulary. There is we need put up the tent before it get dark. And then the third I have campfire. For the example, we sat around the campfire and sang song together. For the fourth, there is open fire. For the example, I make my grandmother used to cook delicious soup over on open fire. And then the last put out, I have example. Please put out your cigarette before entering the building. This is, I can explain again about the meaning in. Let me show you. This one. Actually, I like the red color, and so I always read with red color. And then the next we have chapter 28. Yeah, this is we have story about no parking. This is, I have a new vocabulary a lot. This lesson with Mr. Luhung at 27 of July, because this day when I got this class, Mr. Rozak go to Magelang at Borobudur to accompany my friends, especially from TC program, because we are have to do this, make conversation or speaking test with foreigners. There is a travel exam. We learn how to speak and how to feel comfortable to speak with foreigners. For this chapter, I will read the story. Jasper Wade, who believed in the ancient myth, keep having trouble parking in his garage because driver always block his gate. Since no parking didn't work, he hung a scary stone head of Medusa above his gate, hoping to turn bad driver into stone. Though it hasn't working yet. And then in this lesson, I attend from the first meeting, and I have a lot of new vocabulary. There is have a motorist, and actually motorist with driver is different. Yeah. And then we have moving, we have turn, we have ugly, and oh yeah, for the chapter 28 we have two meetings. The first meeting we talk about this vocabulary, and the next meeting we have to tell story myths about from our hometown, but I didn't attend because I have to go to clinic. I have sick, and then yeah, I didn't attend, and I don't know what the myth from my hometown, and I yeah, I don't know